is where Situ, one of Karmapa's 4 interim regents, made an interesting discovery.
Pressured by the faithful, who hoped and expected that Karmapa had left some clues behind, Situ felt that he should open the talisman Karmapa had given him 10 months before his death with the words, "This will protect you and someday be useful."
The late His Holiness gave me this protection pouch in early January 1981. And one day it was snake here. I opened that and I found an envelope, and the envelope have red ink letter saying that this should be opened in the Iron Horse year. And then I was very, very happy. And then after I offered the letter to 3 Rinpoches in Rumtek in March 1992.
Traditionally, such talismans are never opened. But since no one had found any indications of Karmapa's rebirth, he decided to open it after all.
But the letter is still...
Letter is in Rumtek, yes. Envelope and letter both in Rumtek. It's in the altar.
Here in Rumtek Monastery, in the headquarters of the late Karmapa, this most important and holy document is protected by the Sikkim police, both from outside and inside. Absolutely no one has access to it. Only Karmapa himself, when he returns in his new incarnation, has the right to break these seals.
But I have a copy here of the sacred letter, and this is in Tibetan, so I will read this. Emma ho rangrigni kuntude.
Emma Ho. Self-awareness is always bliss. The Dharma Dhatu has no center nor edge. From here to the north, in the east of the land of snow, is a country where divine thunder spontaneously blazes, in a good nomad's place with the sign of a cow. Method is Dundrup, and wisdom is Lolaga. Born in the year of the one used for the earth, with the miraculous far-reaching sound of the White One. This is the one known as Karmapa. He is sustained by Lord Drupa. Being non-sectarian, he pervades all directions. Not staying close to some and distant from others, he is the protector of all beings.
When I discovered this, I was very pleased. And actually it was a tremendous relief. This is exactly the blessing and also inspiration of highest aspect, which we have been waiting, and we are finally blessed by it. So I was very, very happy.
This letter was interpreted by Gyalsap on the left, Jamgon, Situ, and Shamar on the right working together. They all came to a unanimous conclusion, which Gyalsap reads to us.
From here to the north, in the east of the land of snow, we interpret here as Rumtek, where Karmapa wrote the letter. And in the east of the land of snow means we have to look for him in eastern Tibet, because land of snow is the Tibetan name for Tibet. Where divine thunder spontaneously blazes indicates a district in eastern Tibet. La means divine, and Tok means thunder. There is only one community in eastern Tibet named La Tok. The letter describes the area more precisely as a good nomad place with the sign of a cow. Good means a fertile, beautiful nomadic area. This area must have a name which includes the syllable kor, meaning cow. The next line, method is Dandup and wisdom is Lolaga, predicts the names of the parents. It refers to the Buddhist symbolism. The sun symbolizes the masculine principle, method, and the moon symbolizes the female principle, wisdom. Therefore, the father must be named Dandup and the mother Lolaga. Born in the year of the one used for the earth, prophesies the year of his birth. During the relevant period in the Tibetan calendar, there is, in addition to the snake, dragon, hare, and tiger, only one animal sign used for the earth, the ox, 1985. The words, the miraculous far-reaching sound of the White One, refer to the white conch shell used in Tibetan religious music, which is always called the White One. Sustained by Lord Drupa refers to Situ, whose Buddhist name of honor is Drupa. In his previous life, Situ had identified the last Karmapa and was chosen to exercise this function once again. With respect, so much for the moment.
Jamgon, Karmapa's other interim regent.
What do you personally think of the letter?
Very precise.
Do you think the information which the letter contains and how you interpreted it will enable you to find the reincarnation of Karmapa?
Yeah, you could say that. Yes, it is very clear and very precise. And that's why we are very confident about, finding of his holiness or in, yes.